Ash Trees of Ohio by Colleen Clayton. The ash tree is a large species of tree that grows in Ohio. A fully grown, healthy ash tree can reach 70 feet tall and live up to 250 years. However, many of the ash trees in Ohio won't grow that high or live that long. Sadly, many of them are dying. Therefore, the ash trees need our help if they are to survive. To understand why the ash trees need our help, it is important to first understand the difference between a native plant or animal species and an invasive plant or animal species. A native plant or animal species exists in a place naturally. This means that for ages and ages it has always been there. On the other hand, invasive plant or animal species have been brought in from other places by humans. Invasive species are bad for native species because they crowd them out, or eat them up, or simply make them sick. This is the case with the ash tree. A pesky beetle called the ash borer was accidentally brought to America from Asia by humans. The invasive bug likely hitched a ride on a shipping freight, and as soon as it arrived, it started eating up all the ash trees. So why does it matter if the ash trees die? There are plenty of other types of trees in Ohio, right? One reason is because ash trees help control flooding. Ash trees have deep root systems that soak up excess groundwater. If all of the ash trees die, then a lot of that groundwater will have nowhere to go. This could cause crops, streets, and homes to flood. Another reason that ash trees are important is because their canopies are enormous and provide lots of shade. Shade keeps humans comfortable and helps the environment. A home with a large ash tree in the yard will stay cooler in summer. This will help the people who live in that home use less air conditioning and electricity. But the main reason that we need to save the ash trees is because they provide a precious habitat for animals, insects, birds, and reptiles. 40 types of insects and several types of snakes depend solely upon the ash tree for survival. If the ash trees all die, so will these creatures. So how can we help the ash tree to survive? First, we should treat the ash trees with insecticides, which is sort of like giving them medicine. Secondly, we can ask government leaders to enforce laws that keep humans from bringing invasive species into Ohio. Lastly, the most important thing we can do is to tell other people about the dying ash trees. That way, they can help save them too.